Got a double, real nice double. Look at the size of this joke. First two fish, double. First two fish, double. First two fish, double. Look at that, man. This is what I'm talking about. First fish, man, double. Look at that. We're gonna measure you. So let's get some measurements on these bad boys. First two. See what he working with. You can see that's 12. So you know if this bad boy here is 12, what that's got to be right there. This bad boy here is a thicker rooney. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Oh, look at this. All right, we're gonna put you back. Whoa, look at that, man. A triple. There we go. All right, so now let's see. The other one was 12. Let's see what he'll go. He should go about 13 to 14, right? Mouth closed. That's 14, over 14-inch fish right there. Over 14 inches. Look at the size of this joke. I'm giving you my big gulp. You're gonna have to get that up. Hot enough. Look at the size of that joker. Good God Almighty. We about to fish you around this log here. Get down here, boy. Get down here. Nice, beautiful fish. Yeah. Yeah. See, that to other people would be a nice crappie. To me, the average. Fish, man, look at that. That joker spawned. She spawned out, and she is done. Look at that, thin, like paper thin. Holy cow! You need some nourishment, baby. Yeah. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Look at the size of this. Shut your mouth. Boy, them boys in hashed out. Look how thin she is, man. Look at that. Nice fish, but thin as heck. Let's see what she got on the measurements. $13.5, man, but don't weigh nothing.